Peace, family and friends. I am Zavi D. Morgan, holistic life and business coach and business owner. And in this video, I am just talking to you about my nonprofit organization called Collective Consciousness and our outreach program that is designed to provide emergency assistance to small business owners and veterans. Okay. We were able to bless the family in the beginning of this month and pay their rent, okay, their full rent. And we do not have a budget. We are not government funded, and that is a goal that we are setting ourselves up to become, right? So the funds that we have within this organization directly come from citizens of the community. Them and their businesses that donate, sow seeds into this organization. Okay, you can write it off on your taxes, and we provide the financial emergency assistance to our clients. Okay, so I just got off the phone with this one family. All right, this lady has been trying to find financial assistance, rental assistance, right, to pay her rent. She fell on hard times, and and I know exactly what it's like. And unfortunately, the reason why my program exists is because when me and my family was in hard times, no organizations were able to help us. Most of the organizations required me to stop doing the bare minimum I was still able to do to make my own way in order to help me. Some organizations wanted me to just leave my home the way that it was and just come occupy space in their homeless shelters or whatever the case may be. Others, like I said, had no funding for me. And today, I asked her for the numbers that she was calling. Y'all, when I say, let me tell you how many numbers it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Y'all, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have called 14 different organizations, agencies, and none of them have any funding for rental assistance, and it's pissing me off. And I don't understand. And I was in here just crying with this lady when we was on the phone, because y'all, how many more people is it out here? How many more people is it out here that need help? What are these organizations doing with this money? I know one thing for sure. They got a little stuff going on with them too. But Catholic Charities, okay, they don't really help you. They want to just put you in a shelter. You understand what I'm saying? And the rest of these organizations ask you, are you behind on your rent already? Do you have a disconnection notice? Like, who does this? And where is the funding? And if it's this many people that need support out here in these streets, what is going on in the city of Richmond? What is going on in Virginia? What is going on in these minority communities that we do not have the funding to help these people? It is outrageous. Why isn't anybody taking deeper measures to this? Like, seriously, and I'm just crying out to God for this lady and everybody else that could possibly help, because I know what it's like. I know what it's like, and we're not talking about no individuals who are out here trying to help themselves already. We're not talking about people who just sitting at home and they've given up and they ain't doing, the best that they can to make. Do we talk about people who really are out here in these streets and they doing the best that they can, and it's just not enough? I know what that's like, and I want to help them, and I need your help. I need your help. Because these agencies not for us. They're not for us. And half the time they're not for Black people. Y'all, they don't want to see us grow no further than what we are anyway. So we gotta come together. What is going on? I'm just so upset by it. My heart is so hurt by this. Because this lady, this is the first time that she has ever been late on her rent. Okay, I've seen her rental history. This is the first time she has ever been in a position where she needs some help on her rent, y'all. Like, seriously. And I want to be able to create a budget, right? A financial budget within my nonprofit organization that I can at least afford every family maximum $2,000. And I can only do it with your help. Okay, so, and I'm sorry for coming here with all these emotions and different stuff like that, y'all. But I had to come and get y'all the real, because it's real out here in these streets. And you know, we not in a situation where these people aren't trying to do what they can for themselves. Like, she really is trying to do everything that she can. And there's nobody that can help her. And it's so sad. It's so sad. So if you can sow a seed, please sow a seed by the donation link down below. If you can be a part of this organization, please hit me up by the email that's down below. Y'all, we gotta help God help these people here on earth, y'all. We got to get our own. Like, we got to get free. We do. Peace.